In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Homeschool Diploma template in Microsoft Word. If you have a Homeschool Diploma template and want to personalize it in Microsoft Word, you can edit the existing text and adjust the document so it contains the correct information. First, open Microsoft Word and open your Homeschool Diploma template. Once the template is open, look through the document and identify the areas that contain information you need to change. A diploma template may include a title, student information, a date, or other text that needs to be personalized. To edit the text, click inside the text area that you want to change. Select the existing text and replace it with the correct information. Continue editing the other text areas in the template as needed. Take your time when replacing the information so that everything is entered correctly. If the template contains text boxes, click inside the text box and select the existing text before typing the new information. Text boxes can be useful because they allow different parts of the diploma to stay positioned in specific areas of the page. You can also adjust the appearance of the text using the options in the Home tab. For example, you can change the font size, alignment, or other formatting if the template requires an adjustment. When editing a diploma template, try to keep the original formatting consistent. This helps the finished document maintain the professional appearance of the template. If you need to make changes to multiple sections, move through the document and update each area carefully. Check that the text is properly aligned and that nothing overlaps with other elements of the template. After making your edits, review the entire diploma from beginning to end. Pay close attention to spelling, dates, names, and other information to make sure everything is correct. Also check the overall layout of the page. Make sure the text remains inside the intended areas and that the diploma still has the appearance you want. Once you are satisfied with the changes, save the edited document. Keeping the template as a Word document allows you to make additional changes later if needed. If you plan to print the diploma, review the page layout before printing to make sure all of the information is positioned correctly. And that's how you can edit your Homeschool Diploma template in Microsoft Word. By replacing the template text, adjusting the formatting when necessary, and carefully reviewing the finished document, you can personalize the template while keeping its original layout. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,